This video is optimized for the inner display of the Galaxy Z Fold 2. Make sure to turn it in horizontal orientation to get the best viewing experience. Hi, Ben from Lover of Tech. This is another ultimate charging test of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. Let's get straight into it. Now the Z Fold 2 has a dual cell split 4500 mAh battery total that supports the USB Type-C power delivery 3.0 charging standard at 25 watts. So yeah, we're gonna get straight into it, see how long it takes to charge from dead zero to 100%. Now we're gonna start this test and we're gonna go at different intervals, at 15-minute intervals, and basically see what the charging percentage is. And we're using an iPhone as the stopwatch, and we're gonna get to the first interval at 15 minutes to see from dead zero how much it's charged. And at the first interval, you are looking at 23% charge on the Z Fold 2. So yeah, powering through as we expect it with this charging tech and the battery cell. And we are moving over to the next interval at the 30-minute mark from dead zero, and it's in airplane mode, so there's no interruptions from notifications at all. And at 30-minute interval, you are at 46% charge on the Z Fold 2, slightly below half battery charge on the phone. And now we're going to move over to the 45-minute interval, and at the 45-minute interval we're getting close to, we're going to see what the charging percentage is. And at 45 minutes the charging percentage is 67% on the Z Fold 2. Not bad, as expected, going through how we know it should be for this charging technology and speed for this battery cell size on this Samsung flagship. And the next interval is the 1 hour mark. So at the 1 hour mark, we are going to be looking at the percentage charge of the battery, and it's looking at 85%. So at 85%, and I say the 1 hour mark is the most important because that's when you get the most amount of battery charge in the device as it slows down closer to the end. The next interval is at 1 hour 15, and at 1 hour 15 minutes you are looking at the charging percentage of 93%. So we're really getting close to it. And with this, now we're closing into the end of the charging test, and we're looking at the finishing time of 1 hour 24 minutes and 16 seconds for 100% charge on the Galaxy Z Fold 2. So that is it from this charging test on the Z Fold 2. Let me know in the comment section below what you expected of it. I thought it was going to be ever so slightly quicker compared to the other flagship Samsung phones from this year that I've tested, but nonetheless, these are the results that we're getting, and that is pretty much it. Ben from Lover of Tech. If you enjoy videos like this, you know exactly what to do. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're part of Team TLS, the Tech Lover Squad, so you don't miss any future content that is posted on the channel. I hope you're all safe during this time. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.